Cloves, the aromatic flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, have been cherished for their unique flavor and medicinal properties for centuries. Originating from the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, these tiny brown pods pack a powerful punch, making them a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets worldwide. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating history, culinary uses, and health benefits of cloves, as well as provide some practical tips on how to incorporate them into your daily life. The historical journey of cloves. Cloves have a storied history that dates back over 2,000 years. They were highly valued in ancient civilizations, often worth their weight in gold. The ancient Chinese used cloves as early as 200 BCE to freshen their breath before speaking to the emperor. During the Age of Exploration, cloves were a significant driver of global trade. The fierce competition and immense value of cloves even sparked conflicts and wars. Today, cloves are cultivated in several tropical regions, with Indonesia, Madagascar, and Tanzania being the top producers. Exploring clove varieties and cultivation. While the most commonly known type of clove is the dried flower bud, there are other variations worth exploring. Ground cloves. This form of cloves is convenient for seasoning dishes and baking. It's made by grinding dried cloves into a fine powder. Ground cloves have a more intense flavor compared to whole cloves, so a little goes a long way. Clove oil, extracted from clove buds, clove oil is highly concentrated and potent. It's used in aromatherapy, as a natural insect repellent, and for medicinal purposes such as dental pain relief. Clove oil should be used sparingly and diluted with a carrier oil before topical application. Clove syrup. Clove syrup is made by infusing water with cloves and sugar, resulting in a sweet and aromatic syrup. It can be added to cocktails, mocktails, and desserts for a unique flavor twist. Clove cigarettes, commonly known as kretek. Clove cigarettes are popular in Indonesia and other Southeast Asian countries. They are made by blending tobacco with cloves and other flavorings, resulting in a distinctive aroma and taste. Sustainable clove cultivation. Clove trees thrive in tropical climates with rich, well-drained soil. Sustainable cultivation practices are essential to ensure the long-term viability of clove production. Here are some key aspects of sustainable clove cultivation. Agroforestry. Integrate clove cultivation with other crops or trees to promote biodiversity and soil health. Agroforestry systems can enhance ecosystem resilience and provide additional sources of income for farmers. Organic farming. Avoid the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers to minimize environmental impact and protect the health of farmers and consumers. Organic farming practices promote soil fertility and biodiversity, while reducing chemical runoff into waterways. Fair trade practices. Support fair trade initiatives that ensure equitable treatment of clove farmers and workers. Fair trade certification guarantees fair prices, safe working conditions, and community development projects. Conservation efforts. Protect natural habitats and biodiversity. Hotspots where clove trees grow. Conservation efforts can help preserve native flora and fauna, prevent deforestation, and mitigate climate change. Embracing cloves in your lifestyle. Incorporating cloves into your lifestyle goes beyond culinary and medicinal applications. Here are some creative ways to embrace cloves in your daily life. DIY beauty products. Harness the antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of cloves by creating homemade beauty products. Make a clove-infused facial toner or exfoliating scrub to rejuvenate your skin. Home decor. Use dried cloves in decorative arrangements or potpourri bowls to add a touch of natural elegance to your home. Combine cloves with dried flowers, herbs, and spices for a visually appealing display. Natural remedies. Explore traditional remedies and herbal formulations that incorporate cloves for various health conditions. From sore throats to headaches, cloves have been used for centuries to alleviate a wide range of ailments. Culinary adventures. Experiment with international cuisines that feature cloves as a primary ingredient. Discover the rich flavors of Indian, Middle Eastern, and Indonesian dishes that showcase the versatility of this aromatic spice. Cloves are not just a spice, they are a symbol of resilience, tradition, and cultural heritage. Whether you're savoring the complex flavors of a clove-spiced dish or benefiting from its medicinal properties, cloves have the power to enrich your life in countless ways. By embracing sustainable practices and exploring creative uses for cloves, you can deepen your appreciation for this remarkable spice and contribute to a healthier, more vibrant world. Let the journey of discovery begin as you unlock the full potential of cloves in your life. Culinary uses of cloves. Cloves are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, lending their warm, sweet, and slightly peppery flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. Here are some popular culinary applications. Baking and desserts. Cloves are a key ingredient in many holiday treats and traditional baked goods. They add depth to gingerbread cookies, spice cakes, and pumpkin pie. A pinch of ground cloves can elevate the flavor of apple pie and other fruit desserts. Savory dishes. Cloves are often used in marinades, stews, and braised dishes. They pair exceptionally well with meats like ham, pork, and lamb. In Indian cuisine, whole cloves are a common component of spice blends, such as garam masala and biryani. Beverages. Cloves are a popular addition to mulled wine, chai tea, and spiced cider. Their warming properties make them perfect for winter drinks that comfort and soothe. Condiments and preserves. Pickles, chutneys, and relishes often include cloves for their distinctive flavor. They are also used in ketchup and Worcestershire sauce recipes. Health benefits of cloves. Beyond their culinary applications, cloves boast an impressive array of health benefits. Due to their high content of eugenol, a potent compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Here are some notable health advantages. Oral health. Cloves have been used for centuries to alleviate toothache and gum pain. Eugenol, the primary active compound, has analgesic and antibacterial properties, making it effective in reducing dental pain and preventing infections. Digestive health. Cloves can aid digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. They are also known to reduce flatulence, gastric irritability, and nausea. A cup of clove tea can be a natural remedy for digestive discomfort. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The eugenol in cloves has been shown to reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress. This can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and cardiovascular diseases. Respiratory health. Cloves can help relieve respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and asthma. Their expectorant properties help in loosening phlegm and clearing the respiratory tract. Immune boosting. Cloves contain vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and calcium, which contribute to a healthy immune system. Regular consumption can enhance your body's ability to fight off infections. Practical tips for using cloves. Incorporating cloves into your daily routine is easy and rewarding. Here are some practical tips. Cooking with whole cloves. Whole cloves can be used in stocks, soups, and stews. Simply add a few cloves to your pot, and remove them before serving. You can also stud onions with cloves for added flavor in broths and meat dishes. Using ground cloves. Ground cloves are convenient for baking and seasoning. However, their flavor is potent, so use them sparingly. A small amount goes a long way in enhancing your dishes. Making clove tea. Clove tea is a soothing beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold. To make clove tea, steep a few whole cloves in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey and lemon for extra flavor. Clove oil. Clove oil is available in health stores and can be used for topical applications. To relieve toothache or muscle pain. Dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. DIY clove pomander. Create a natural air freshener by studding an orange with whole cloves. This clove pomander can be hung in closets or placed in rooms to impart a pleasant aroma. The versatility of cloves. Cloves can be used in many other ways beyond cooking and health remedies. Here are some additional uses that highlight their versatility. Natural insect repellent. The strong aroma of cloves can deter insects. Place cloves in sachets or bowls around your home to keep bugs at bay. You can also use clove oil mixed with a carrier oil as a natural insect repellent on your skin. Aromatic potpourri. Create a homemade potpourri by combining cloves with other spices, like cinnamon sticks, dried orange peels, and star anise. This mixture not only smells wonderful but also adds a decorative touch to your home. Homemade scented candles. Add ground cloves to melted candle wax to create fragrant candles. The warm, spicy scent of cloves can create a cozy atmosphere in your home. Clove sachets for closets and drawers. Cloves are an incredible spice that can enhance your life in numerous ways. From adding a burst of flavor to your favorite dishes to offering remarkable health benefits. Cloves are a true powerhouse in the world of spices. Cloves are more than just a spice, they are a treasure trove of flavor and health benefits.